Good morning, children. So last class we have discussed up to lesson number 12. Okay, so what is the name of this lesson, ma? Periodic classification of elements. Okay, so today we are going to start the new lesson number 13. Okay, chemical bonding. Okay, this is the new topic for you. Okay, still now we didn't study about the chemical bonding. Okay, so what is mean by chemical first? Okay, already we have studied in the lower section physical and chemical. So physical means what? So if you are taking any one of the object, okay, any one of the object, just we may see the appearance, color, shape, size and some extra, okay, outer part alone, okay, that is called physical. That is called what, ma? Physical. So what is mean by chemical? So what is mean by chemical? So chemical is nothing but what, ma? So that entire things we have to take, we have to analyze in the deep. Okay, so inside what is there, okay, so we may change the physical appearance. Okay, once again we will get the original shape or size or something. Okay, suppose we may change the chemical, okay, we cannot get back the same substance. Okay, that is called chemical. So chemical means what, ma? Totally we have to change one substance into another, we cannot get back the same. Okay, so what is mean by bonding? What is mean by bond? So usually bond means what, ma? Connection, okay, between two. Okay, so with the help of chemical we have to make the bond. So that bond is called what bond? Chemical bond. Okay, chemical bond. Okay, so we are going to study in this lesson how the atoms are combined, why the atoms are combined, how the atoms are combined, why the particular atoms combined with the particular atoms, why some of the atoms are not combined with some other atoms. So what is the reason? So everything we are going to study in this lesson. So before that we will see what is mean by atom. So atom is nothing but what, ma? Atom is the smallest particle that take part in the chemical reaction. So what is mean by molecule? Group of atom is called what? Molecule. Okay, for example H2. Okay, water. Group of atom means here what is the meaning? Here how many hydrogen atoms are there? 2 hydrogen atoms are there, 1 oxygen atom is there. Okay, so total 3 atoms are present. But 2 elements are present. One is hydrogen, another one is oxygen. So next one bond. So what is mean by bond? Okay, the attractive force which holds the atoms together. Okay, the atoms which holds the atom together is called what, ma? Bond. Okay, the attractive force of atom together. Okay, that is called what, ma? Bond. Okay, suppose A atom, another one B atom. Okay, the strong attractive force which held together in between the atom is called what? Bond. Okay, it is called bond. Okay, so next one. So what is mean by chemical bond? Definition is given. Okay, so chemical bond. Okay, just we will see the definition for chemical bond. Chemical bond definition. Okay, so a chemical bond may be defined as the force of attraction between the atom. Okay, force of attraction between the atoms, that binds together, as a unit called molecule. A unit called what, ma? molecule. Okay, this is the definition for what ma chemical bond. A force of attraction between the atoms, that binds together as a unit called what ma molecule. When atoms are combined to make molecule, at the time which bond is formed, chemical bond is formed. Okay, this is the definition for chemical bond. Okay, so in this lessons, okay, two scientists they have explained about their chemical bond. Okay, one is Coastal-Lewis chemical bond, another one is Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure. Okay, so first one, Coastal, Kossel, Coastal-Lewis approach to chemical bonds. Okay, Coastal-Lewis approach to chemical bonds. Okay, that is the first one. Okay, so otherwise called as what ma? Okay, octet rule. Or rule of 8. Okay, octet rule or rule of 8. So octet means we know what is mean by 8. Okay, so Coastal-Lewis approach to chemical bond or okay octet rule or rule of 8. Okay, so what is this one? Okay, so if we are taking the atom, we have to analyze the electronic configuration. We have to analyze the which configuration ma? Electronic configuration. So electronic configuration is nothing but what ma? How the electrons are arranged in the atom. How the electrons are present in the cell. Okay, so which cell, how many electrons present. Okay, in which cell, how many electrons are present. So everything we will study under the splitting of what ma? So electronic configuration. So based on this electronic configuration, they have explained about the chemical bond. Okay, chemical bond. Okay, so before that we will see, so what is mean by noble gases? Okay, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, so we may, okay, so these gases are nothing but what ma? Noble gases are inert gases. So atomic number 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86. Okay, so we have to see the electronic configuration. 2, 2,8, 2,8,8, 2,8, 18,8, 2,8, 18, 18, 8, 2,8, 18, 32, 18, 8. Okay, you have to look at these atoms. Okay, noble gases. Okay, so except helium, remaining all the gases have what ma? Outermost cells contains how many electrons? 8 electrons. Okay, outermost cell contains how many electrons? 8 electrons except helium. All other noble gases have 8 electrons in their valence cell. Even helium has its valence cell completely filled and has no more electrons can be added. So we cannot add any electrons, okay, in this gaseous atoms. Because the outermost cells they have completely filled. So based on this concept, concept. Okay, in the year of 1916. Okay, in the year of 1916. Okay, Cosell, Cosell and Lewis, they have explained about their chemical bond. Chemical bond. Okay, in the year of 1916. 1916. Okay, Cosell, Lewis. Okay, in the year of 1916, Cosell and Lewis, okay, proposed the theory. Okay, proposed the theory that is called electronic theory of valence. Electronic theory of valence. Electronic theory of valence. Okay, electronic theory of valence. Why? Based on the electrons. Based on the electrons. Okay, they found. Okay, they have proposed. They have created one theory. So the theory is called what ma? Electronic theory of valence or octet rule. Or octet rule. Okay, why? The based on the outermost cells. Okay, just now before 2 minutes we have seen. Okay, the outermost cells. Okay, all the gaseous atoms contains how many electrons ma? 8 electrons. So the rule is called what ma? Octet rule. Okay, octet rule. Okay, octet rule. Okay, atoms can combine either by transfer of electrons. Okay, so how one atom is combined with another one atom. Okay, just you see A and B. Okay, how can be combined? Okay, by the transfer of the electron, or by sharing of the electrons. Okay, suppose A sometimes donate the electrons, or B sometimes donate the electrons, or sometimes what will happen, both A and B, okay, they will share the electrons, then they will form the bond. Okay, so in this way, which one is formed ma? Chemical bond is formed. Okay, so what is the rule of 8 or octet rule? Okay, the tendency of atoms have the 8 electrons in the valence cell. Okay, the tendency of atom have the 8 electrons in the valence cell. Okay, that rule is called what rule ma? Octet rule or rule of 8. Okay, octet rule or rule of 8. Okay, so we will see the one example. Okay, so familiar example. Example 1, sodium 1123. Okay, this is atomic number, mass number. Okay, 2 electrons here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, remaining outermost cell only 1 electrons. Okay, you see here atomic number 11. Okay, atomic number 11. Okay, this atomic number is nothing but what ma? Either the number of protons or electrons. Okay, total how many electrons are present here? 11 electrons. Okay, first cell 2, next 8, 1. Suppose this sodium atom, okay, lost 1 electron. Definitely what will happen ma? It will obtain what configuration? Octet configuration. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, it will obtain what configuration ma? Okay, octet rule or rule of 8 configuration. Okay, octet rule or rule of 8 configurations. Okay, so okay, here what happened ma? Transfer of the electron. One atom to another. Okay, the same way, second example you see chlorine atom. Second example, chlorine 1735. Okay, 2 8 10 over, remaining here 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this atom may gain 1 electron. Okay, here what ma? Gain 1 electron. What will happen? Gain 1 electron. What will happen ma? It obtain the stable electronic configuration 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it will obtain the stable electronic configurations. Okay, this is the one of the method. Okay, Coastal-Lewis approach to chemical bond. Okay, next one, Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure. For example, hydrogen. Okay, single. Okay, next one, helium. Double. Okay, next one, carbon 4. Carbon 4. Okay, look at these examples. Okay, look at these examples. Okay, how he has arranged. Okay, the unpaired electron in the valence cell is represented. Okay, the unpaired. Okay, pair means two, unpaired means a single. Okay, the unpaired electrons present in the valence cell represented by a single dot. Okay, single dot. Okay, unpaired electron. Unpaired electron. Unpaired electrons. Okay, paired electrons represented in what way, ma? Double dot. Okay, double dot. Okay, whereas the paired electrons are represented by a pair of dots. Okay, pair. Okay, pair of. Okay, here pair of electrons. Pair of electrons. So in this way also, okay, he has denoted what, ma? The number of electrons present in the valence cell. Okay, number of electrons present in the valence cell. Okay, so next one, types of chemical bond. Types of chemical bond. Okay, just you will see the heading alone. Types of chemical bond. Okay, one is strong, another one is weak. So what is mean by strong chemical bond? What is mean by weak chemical bond? Okay, so based on the transfer of the electrons, or mutual sharing of the electrons. Okay, so that bond is called what, ma? Strong bond. Okay, examples, ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond, and metallic bond. Okay, these bonds are the examples of what bond, ma? Strong bond. What is mean by weak bond? Okay, hydrogen bond and van der Waals interaction. Okay, these two bonds are the examples of weak bond. Okay, so next class we will see the types of chemical bonds. Okay, so homework, ma? Okay, so today homework. Okay, take your textbook, page number. Okay, take your textbook, page number. Okay, 159, Roman letter 2. Okay, 159, Roman letter 2. Okay, third question, explain the octet rule with an example. Okay, third question. Okay, explain the octet rule with an example. Then first question, how do atoms combine? How do atoms attain? Okay, how do atoms attain noble gas electronic configuration? Okay, noble gas electronic configuration. Question number 1 and 3, second Roman letter. Okay, these two questions are the today's homework. Okay, so thank you, children. Remaining part we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.